So, all with 6-string shapes. Stormy weather is an E flat. So here's E flat. There's a triangle, so it's major. That's the clump. Okay, so then there's a C7 with a flat 9. So that's a C dominant, flat 7, with an added flat 9. An F minor 7, so here's the F, and I'm getting that minor, flat 3rd, flat 7th, and also the extra note there. And then a B flat dominant. So B flat 7, here's the B flat dominant. Take the clump and flat the 7. So that comes out like, let's see here, E flat. Cool. Okay, G minor, here's G minor. C dominant, 7 with a flat 9, dominant with a flat 9. F minor, which you can also do up here. And then a F, same chord, F minor, but with a B flat in the bass. And G minor, F dominant, which also remember you can play with the bar. And then F minor, and then B flat. The plus is a sharp 5. So when you see B flat plus 7, that's the same thing as a B flat 7 with a sharp 5. So here's the B flat dominant, but we're going to sharp the 5, which you can also do like this. Cool? So E flat major, C7 flat 9, F minor, B flat 7, G minor, C dominant 7 flat 9, F, and then F minor 7 with a B flat in the bass, G minor, F sharp 7 dominant, F minor, and B flat augmented, sharp 5. And then it does all that again. So you have E flat. This time it did a sharp 9 on the C, so it's the same thing, C dominant but with a sharp 9. F minor. This time it did a B flat with a B flat 7 with a flat 9. And then E flat major, or C7 with a flat 9. F minor, B flat dominant, G minor, C dominant 7 with a flat 9. F minor 7 with a B flat in the bass. And then G minor, F dominant, same as before, F minor, and B flat augmented. Back to B flat. Okay, and then there's an A7 dominant with a flat 9. Now here's our A flat 7 chord. A diminished. So remember, diminished, here's our A with a clump. Here's a minor 7 flat 5, and diminished is 1 note lower. So it looks like a dominant 7th, but a fret lower than the clump. And for this E flat, this is an E flat major chord, so the way you know it, but with a B flat in the bass. Then A flat again, A diminished, E flat with a B flat, and I'm doing a E flat 7th up there, so E flat dominant. A flat major, A diminished, 7th, and then E flat. This time, remember, instead of the E flat here, they want an E flat with a G in the bass. Well, you can't really get that like this, so I did the C shape, moved over here, and then I got the G here, C minor, G minor, C minor, and then F dominant, and B flat with a flat 9. And then it goes back to the original chords. C minor, C, F minor, B flat in the bass, G minor, F dominant, F minor, B flat dominant, and E flat. That's the whole song.
Awesome. Yep.
Let's do a couple chords with the 5th string of the bass. So here's your clump on the 5th string. Root, 5th, 7th, and 3rd. Cool? So dominant looks like this. Minor looks like this. Half diminished looks like that. And diminished looks like that. So major, dominant, minor, half diminished, and diminished. Cool. So E flat major 7, just the clump. Now when we go down to here, this would be a C7, a C dominant. Here's a C, here's the clump with the flatted 7, C dominant. But this one's a flat 9, so remember whenever we do 9ths or 13ths, we're not going to use this clump. We're going to take that 3rd and put it over here. So we're just getting an octave. Now you have, for the 9ths, you use a root, 3rd, 7th here, and 9th here. If we're doing a dominant, we're flatting this one, so it looks like this. Root, 3rd, flat 7th, and here's the 9th, which we can grab that way. Or if you remember, put that 5th on top, you can take the root and just put it on the 2nd string, and that makes a diminished chord. This is a C dominant, flat 9th, and you can move around. We're going to use that a lot. F minor's here, here's F, there's your clump, flat the 7th and the 3rd. And, actually, yeah, B flat 7 would be here. B flat, there's the clump, flat the 7th. Here's the G, make it minor. C7 again with the flat 9. F minor. And don't worry about the bass note for now, it's just too tough for you to worry about. G minor. So root, 5th, flat 7th, and flat 3rd. F sharp 7. So here's the clump, flat the 7th to make it dominant. So it's F sharp 7. Here's the F, make it minor. And then, okay, B flat with a sharp 5. So a couple ways you could do that. Here's a dominant, here's the B flat, here's the major, and there's your dominant chord. You have to sharp the 5 like this. Probably the easiest way to do it right now. We could also, for example, do it up here. Maybe a little easier to get. And if you want, you could do the root 3rd, flat 7th, and sharp 5th up here. Using that other shaper down here if you wanted. Cool. Bunch of ways we can get it. That's enough for now. Cool?
Yep.